Welcome back. Today's an exciting day. We're going to get the power hooked up today. I'm just laying everything out where it's going to go. I'm going to put the two batteries here in parallel. I've got a 3000 watt inverter. I've got the Renergy charge controller with alternator charging that's going to go right here. Fuse box here. And a bunch of breakers and negative bus bar. So I'm just laying everything out, getting it all screwed into place, and I'll show you how I'm going to connect everything. Okay, now that I've got my basic layout, I can start cutting all the wires to length. Alright, everything's connected right now except for the solar. I did flip the breaker and test it. It looks like everything's looking good. So now I'm going to just turn it off again. And now I'm going to set up the... first I'm going to measure the negative solar cable, which is going to go right here. And I'm going to cut it to length, and then I'm going to connect that, then the positive. And then we're going to, before we connect it, we're going to flip the breaker, and I believe you need to have this on first before we connect the solar. So I'm going to get everything cut the length, and then we'll flip it back on and we'll connect it. That is just the best feeling. We have power. Red shows that it's bulk charging right now. Yellow shows normal voltage. Won't be long before that's green when the battery's full. I haven't hooked up the alternator charging yet. Breaker's off. I just have to connect it up front. Blue is for the lithium batteries. But everything's working, so now I can start connecting my appliances through the fuse box. Very good. It's looking good. Real clean. I've got a 200 amp breaker here, 70 amp breaker here, and 80 amp breaker here for the alternator from the vehicle. That's not connected yet. Looking good. Okay, so this is what it looks like all finished. Got all my appliances connected here. There'll be a few more later on in the build that'll be added to there. I have a really cool Renergy battery monitor here. It tells you a lot of great information, how much power is coming in, how much power are you using. This will later on get mounted on my control panel along with the remote from the inverter here. And as you can see, we have power. Everything's working great. And the alternator charging is working now. It's trickle charging the starter battery. Everything's full. Please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And the next video I'm going to be finishing off the back and front walls and then getting started on the wall cabinet.